Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna finish the interior. First step, painting the roll cage. I already masked everything off what is not supposed to be painted, and yeah, we're gonna spray some, like I started here already in a test. We're gonna spray some primer on there, and after the primer we're gonna paint it in the final color. So the roll cage is painted bright green, everything else is in satin black. I took truck bed liner coating on the floor to have a durable floor, and well, now I'm gonna clean everything up, and then we need to do some electrical work still. So I'm gonna get another power wire to the front. One is just for the starter, the other one is for the gauges and everything, and then we install two flip fuses too, and I'm gonna build the system, then we take a look at that. So we're coming from a battery down here, and here I have big fuses with switches, and that one wire is going here to the engine and the other one is going to the car later on. Still waiting on a wire, but that's just a quick thing to do. Also got the thing on the gas tank over there to hook up my new fuel filler neck, but that's also still waiting for the hose. Yeah, so that's about it. Now it's time for the seats and the seat belts. Alright, so we got the seats in. I welded hooks to the roll cage in the front so I can hook up my steering wheel. That's the steering wheel with a quick release in the back, so it goes on here like this. And there's also a hook for the helmet, but I just put it on the passenger seat like everybody is doing it. We got the OMP seats in here, Sparko harnesses also installed, everything is torqued down already. I did already a little test drive and we're running out of tires already. But yeah, so the interior is basically done. I also put a light switch on here. The only thing right now left for the interior is like I'm gonna get toggle switches in here for the window regulators. Still waiting on the switches, and I'm gonna put cover panels on the side here and on the transmission tunnel, and that's about it. But that's not a big step, so we don't have to do a video about that for right now. Maybe we're gonna do a little finished pieces video at the end. But for right now, the main interior is done, ready to go to the track. The guy is coming to put the windshield back in there. That's about it. So now we're going in a little porn about the interior, and you're gonna see us next time.
She like to fuck with suckers, suck the buck. I'm the ice cream man. She chunky.